What's good, y'all? It's your man, Coach Bruce, and welcome back to Stock Check Thursdays. Today, we're going to talk about some, not exactly stocks, we're going to look at crypto today. And this is exciting because crypto is on the verge of blowing up. So I have to show you some of my positions so you can make an informed decision as to whether you want to join this market or nah. So let's get started. So the primary crypto I'm invested in right now is called Bitcoin Cash. The reason why I love this stock is it's a fork off Bitcoin. So about a couple of years ago, there were a couple groups and they had a disagreement as to the direction of where Bitcoin was going. So some wanted to increase the file size in which transactions were stored. This is kind of complicated, so I'll just keep it very simple. Basically, what this means is that it would allow Bitcoin to have more transactions. So this would increase transaction speed, which would make it more feasible as a possible digital currency. So say I wanted to buy something, you could buy it instantly because the transactions there will be enough data for that transaction to happen at a very quick speed. And as it is right now, Bitcoin is actually pretty slow. It could take up to an hour for a transaction to go through. So the people in Bitcoin Cash, they were like, nah, I'm out of here. This isn't going in the right direction. And they changed the code so that there was more file storage for the transactions. This allows way quicker transactions. So I believe that this is a better form of currency and that people will catch on. And this will be a more viable form of transactions within the blockchain network. So right now it's at $509. I bought in at around $480. So I'm up a little bit. I have about half a coin, and I'm going to add to my position as it goes up. So I believe with the current increase in Bitcoin pricing that this is going to go up with it. So the crypto market is kind of like the normal market. Say you're investing in Apple. You're going to base uptrends and downtrends based on the overall market, like the NASDAQ. For Bitcoin Cash, it's going to go up and down with stocks like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you always want to make sure you're looking at those. Let's look at those right now, actually. So I'm going to go to my watch list, and you can see it. You always want to have Bitcoin and Ethereum if you're going to look at Bitcoin Cash. So Bitcoin right here, you can see it's slightly up. So is Ethereum. Let's look at some of the graphs. It's at 44.7. It actually went down around $2,000 the last day, but it's back on its way up. You can see over here, it's back on its way up. Let's look at Ethereum as well. See, it went down as well with Bitcoin, but went back up. So Bitcoin Cash, let's go back to it. It actually reached a high of 540. Zoom in just a little bit. It reached a high of 540 yesterday, and it dropped all the way down to 470. So that's one of the things with crypto as well. You're going to have to be cool with volatility, which is the stock going up and down a lot quicker. However, that's going to make it so you can make possibly more money. Because say you predicted this trend, say you some of these indicators were showing, oh, it's going down, but I believe it's going to hit a resistance point and come back up. That's exactly what happened. It hit 470, bounced all the way back up to 510. And it'd be cool if we could reach this 540-ish region again. And that could happen if we get another catalyst or a reason for Bitcoin going up. So what happened on Monday, I believe it was, Elon Musk said that Tesla was going to put, or that they bought 1.5 billion in Bitcoin, and that they were going to start accepting Bitcoin as payment for their cars. So if we can get more big investors, which is what we call whales or institutions, to go into Bitcoin, the overall crypto market will go up, because that will increase Bitcoin's price and everything else. Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, XRP, XLM, all of those will go up as well. So that's why I like Bitcoin Cash. It's a little cheaper. It has a similar coding style to Bitcoin, and it might have even better applications in the real world. So that's my first option. The second option I'm looking at getting is XLM. So this has a kind of similar idea in that it just allows for even quicker transactional speed. So you can see a lot of institutions buying into this as well. It's only at 43 cents right now. It was at 40 cents. So it's gaining a little traction. It's gone up around 3-4 cents. And if Bitcoin keeps going up, it might ride the wave as well. And people are excited about this one because of its application ability. And then you have the classic ones, Ethereum. That's always a safe bet. It's been going up. It's gone up like $700 in the last week or two. And then what else? Dogecoin, of course. Everyone's talking about Dogecoin. It's hanging around 7 cents. Elon Musk is pumping it up on his Twitter. This is going to be more of a social play. So there's no real inherent value in Dogecoin other than it sounds cool and you have celebrities kind of bigging it up. So if you are really good at timing like the wave in terms of like social events and stuff like that, go ahead, go into Dogecoin. If not, stay away from it because I wouldn't consider this real crypto. This is more kind of a fun thing. And if you're good with Twitter and social media, you can catch the wave. But I just wanted to give y'all my positions. I'm looking to get it. I'm already in Bitcoin Cash and I'm looking at XLM and maybe XRP. Those are my 3 serious stocks that I'm into. And I'm also looking to get some possible connections with my website where you guys could possibly pay for products in crypto as well. So that'd be another cool way to integrate this new form of digital payment. A lot of institutions like Tesla are getting into it, and I want to get into it as well. And I can teach you along the way. So we can learn about crypto. We could both make money together, get a small position, learn about trading, and that'll just benefit all of us. So it's your man, Coach Bruce. This has been an episode of Tech Thursdays. I hope you got something out of this. If you want me to get into another subject in terms of crypto, I'm more than willing to do that. I've been studying this for a while, and I'd be more than willing to give you some of my knowledge base. So it's your man, Coach Bruce. This is Next Gen Sports. I'll catch y'all next time. I'm out.